no. Wait, no, what was that? Oh my God, no. Oh my God, no. Oh my God, the ankle lock again. Wait, he's gonna try to break that ankle. Kurt Angle is trying to, Randy Orton. He's trying to game Randy Orton. It's not bad enough that he beat Randy Orton. He's trying to incapacitate him. Oh my God, Cole.
Kurt Angle.
Look at his eyes, look at that ankle. What kind of damage is done to that ankle?
Rollins getting the upper hand.
Seth wants to show he can stand toe-to-toe with John.
He did a pretty damn good job of it.
Yes, he did.
He hit Cena right in the nose with a knee.
Give Seth credit. With that straight
he
knee
did.
thrust.
Wow. Put him right in the nose with a knee, and Cena's feeling it now. And the official's going to back Rollins off. May have broken John Cena's nose.
Yeah, wait a minute, Shawn Michaels down. Bret Hart going for Michaels' knee. Bret Hart going for Shawn Michaels' knee. He's driving it to the post. He's driving it to the post now. Bret Hart. Right in front. And he falls Shawn Michaels. Michaels is screaming for his life. He's going to break his leg. Bret Hart has Michaels wrapped around the pole of the python, putting more pressure on his knee. Bret Hart won't release it.
I'm gonna get you! This is never gonna be over! I'm gonna get you! You'll never get rid of me! You'll never get rid of me!
Oh my God, he's going to snap his arm. Oh, God, no.
Wait a minute. Pillman's ankle. Oh my God. Wow. I think you can hear the bone snapping. Pillman is right.